Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the incredible scale and precision of modern food manufacturing processes on a massive level. Today we dive deep into a facility capable of processing 2,000 kilograms of raw ingredients in a single efficient production cycle.
Yeah, the seal is
The journey
intact.
begins
Move it
as
to bay
fresh
4.
raw materials arrive at our high-capacity receiving bay, where quality control inspectors verify every single shipment. State-of-the-art automated conveyor systems transport the raw components into powerful industrial washing stations to ensure absolute cleanliness and safety. Precision nozzles blast away impurities, ensuring that every piece of material meets the rigorous hygiene standards required for large-scale food production. Advanced laser scanners work tirelessly to sort and grade the ingredients based on specific size and quality parameters before the next stage. Skilled technicians monitor the central control room dashboards, where complex algorithms optimize the flow of materials through the entire processing plant floor. The ingredients are now transferred into massive stainless steel vats, where temperature and pressure are controlled with incredible accuracy for uniform cooking. Thermal sensors maintain the perfect internal environment, allowing the food to cook evenly while preserving vital nutrients and natural flavor profiles throughout. Automated seasoning systems inject measured doses of spices and flavor enhancers into the mixture to guarantee a consistent taste in every batch. Heavy-duty stirring paddles rotate at a constant speed, ensuring that every ounce of product is thoroughly mixed with the savory seasonings added. Safety protocols mandate that the temperature must reach a specific threshold to eliminate any potential pathogens before the product can be processed. Following the cooking phase, the product enters a rapid cooling tunnel to lock in texture and prevent the growth of unwanted microorganisms. Once cooled, the items move to the cutting station, where high-speed blades slice them into perfectly uniform pieces for final consumer packaging. Engineered for consistency, these machines ensure that every slice is identical in thickness, which is crucial for the final cooking experience later. Automated vision systems inspect each individual slice to remove any irregular pieces, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach the consumer. Any product that fails to meet the strict visual criteria is automatically diverted by a robotic arm for immediate reprocessing or disposal. The remaining high-quality pieces enter the coating drum, where they are delicately tumbled with a precise blend of savory dry spices. This coating process adds the final layer of flavor and texture that makes the finished product so appealing to hungry customers everywhere. The finished pieces now travel along the final conveyor toward the high-speed packaging area, where they will be prepared for shipment. Sophisticated weighing scales ensure that each bag contains the exact amount of product required by the brand standards and consumer labeling laws. Heat-sealing bars clamp down on the plastic film, creating a secure, airtight seal that keeps the contents fresh for many months. Every single bag passes through a sensitive metal detector to verify that no foreign contaminants have entered the line during the process. Laser printers mark each package with the expiration date and batch code, providing full traceability for the manufacturer and the end consumer. Robotic arms perform the repetitive task of packing the finished bags into cardboard boxes, creating neat stacks for easy transport and storage. Once filled, the boxes are sealed with tape and stacked onto pallets by a programmable robot that maximizes the space for shipping. Electric forklifts transport the completed pallets to our temperature-controlled cold storage warehouse, where they await distribution to various global market destinations. Inventory management software tracks every pallet in this massive facility, ensuring that the oldest stock is always shipped out to customers first. Warehouse logistics teams coordinate with international shipping partners to move these products across the globe, reaching retailers in record time each day. The finished goods are loaded onto refrigerated trucks designed to maintain the optimal environment for freshness during the long journey to markets. Connecting the factory to the consumer is a vital logistics network that ensures your favorite food arrives safely at your local supermarket. Finally, the product reaches the retail shelf, where customers can choose the quality and consistency that only mass production marvels can provide. Every step we have witnessed today contributes to the affordable and safe nutrition that supports families and communities all around the world. It is remarkable how industrial-scale technology transforms raw materials into the delicious meals that bring people together at the dinner table. Quality control and precision engineering are the silent heroes behind every bite, ensuring that you receive the best possible food every time. The sheer scale of operations required to feed millions of people daily is a testament to human ingenuity and modern industrial process design. Sustainability is also a key priority as water and energy are recycled within the facility to minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing. Human intervention is carefully integrated with automation to ensure that safety and quality are never compromised during the high-volume production runs. Continuous improvement is the goal of our engineering teams, who constantly tweak the machines to achieve even higher levels of operational excellence. This massive choreographed dance of machines and technology is what makes modern life possible, providing consistent food supplies for the global population. By combining the power of robotics with human oversight, we create a system that is both incredibly efficient and remarkably reliable for everyone. Sourcing the highest quality raw ingredients is the first step in our commitment to delivering superior products to our valued global customers. Advanced X-ray inspection technology provides an extra layer of security by detecting even the smallest imperfections that might be invisible to eyes. Maintaining this blistering pace requires perfect synchronization between every machine and every operator working within the massive walls of this industrial facility. Safety is always the top priority in our facility, ensuring that every employee returns home healthy after a productive shift of hard work. Behind every smooth production cycle lies hours of meticulous programming and testing to ensure everything operates at peak performance during the day. The mechanical heart of our factory beats with precision, driving the massive production lines that provide food for millions of people everywhere. Seeing the finished product ready for transport is the most rewarding part of the process for the dedicated team working inside here. Daily sanitation cycles are essential to maintain the sterile environment required to produce safe and healthy food for our many loyal customers. Our production capacity has grown significantly over the years, reflecting the increasing trust that families place in our high-quality food products. As the sun sets over the factory, our work continues with a night shift team, keeping the production lines moving through the darkness. Even with full automation, the human touch remains vital for verifying that every detail aligns with our very high standards of excellence. The clever design of our conveyor system allows us to utilize every square foot of the factory floor to maximize our total output. Maintaining sub-zero temperatures in our storage facility is crucial for preserving the freshness and quality of our ingredients until they are shipped. Transparency is key to our mission, providing clear nutritional information on every package so consumers know exactly what they are eating daily. Great food starts with great ingredients, and we source only the best raw materials to ensure a premium experience for our customers. Our robotic systems are capable of handling thousands of items every hour without ever getting tired or making a single costly mistake. Efficient logistics are the backbone of our operations, ensuring that products flow seamlessly from our factory floor to the shelves of retailers. The lights of the factory never truly go out as we work tirelessly to meet the global demand for our reliable food products. From the humble raw material to the gourmet dining table, our product brings joy and nutrition to people in all walks of life. Every seal we make represents a promise of quality and safety that we deliver to our customers with every single package sold. Continuous monitoring and adjustment are the secrets to maintaining our high standards of quality during the massive production runs we execute daily. The interconnected nature of our production lines allows for a seamless flow of materials from the initial preparation to the final packaging. Precision cutting ensures that every piece of the product is perfectly shaped and ready for the next stage of our manufacturing process today. Our advanced robotics are programmed to handle delicate items with care while maintaining the rapid speed needed for large-scale food production cycles. An organized warehouse is a sign of a well-run production facility, and we take great pride in our systematic approach to storage. Final packaging is where our brand comes to life, and we ensure every box looks perfect before it leaves our factory facility today. Consistency is the hallmark of great manufacturing, and our temperature control systems ensure every batch meets the exact same high-quality standards. Manual checks are just as important as automated ones to catch the smallest details that might be missed by our advanced camera systems. Each new day brings a new cycle of production as we strive to provide the best food products for the global market daily. Accurate dating is essential for consumer safety, providing the information needed to enjoy our products at their absolute best during their shelf life. Clean air is just one of many factors we control to ensure the highest standards of hygiene throughout our entire food production facility. Automation allows us to handle heavy lifting with ease, keeping our workers safe, while increasing the speed of our entire logistics chain daily. The quality of the final product is the ultimate measure of our success, and we are proud to share it with the world. Looking at the entire production floor, we see a complex system working in perfect harmony to produce food that feeds millions of people. Fast and precise labeling is the final step in our packaging process, ensuring that all necessary information is clearly visible to our customers. Our operators are highly skilled professionals who manage the sophisticated technology that powers our production lines to achieve such incredible output levels today. Our secret spice blends are carefully formulated to create the unique and delicious flavor profile that our customers have come to love dearly. Operating in a sterile environment is critical to preventing contamination and ensuring the safety of every single package that leaves our factory floor. Seeing our products on the shelf is the culmination of a massive team effort that spans from raw ingredients to final retail display. Our brand stands for quality and reliability, and we work hard every day to earn and keep the trust of our loyal customers. Innovation is at the heart of our operations as we adopt new technologies to improve the efficiency and safety of our warehouse logistics. Strategic planning is essential for balancing the demands of the market with the operational capabilities of our massive food production facility every day. Cooking in a controlled environment allows us to achieve the perfect texture and flavor for every batch we produce in our facility here. The distribution network is the final link in our production chain, bringing our high-quality food products to stores across the entire country. Safety checks are integrated into every stage of our process to ensure that our customers receive only the safest and highest quality food. We believe that the quality of our food starts with the freshness of our ingredients, and we source them with the utmost care. Automation allows us to maintain high speed and accuracy in our packaging lines, ensuring that we can meet the high demand of customers. Managing inventory on such a large scale requires sophisticated software and a dedicated team to ensure everything is ready for timely shipment daily. Every meal prepared with our products is a testament to the dedication and precision of the people working in our massive food factory. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing downtime and ensuring that our production lines continue to operate at peak performance for our customers today. As the sun rises, we are ready to start another day of production with the same commitment to quality and safety for all. Our packaging is designed to be both functional and informative, providing clear details about the product inside to help our customers choose wisely. The use of autonomous robots in our warehouse is a game changer for efficiency, allowing us to move products with speed and precision today. We are proud of the quality of the products we create, and we know that
The
families
perfect blend of
appreciate the care we
quality
put into
and
them.
taste.
Working in this
Preferred by
massive
families
facility is a
everywhere.
truly unique experience where technology and human effort come together to provide food for the world. The hard work and dedication of our employees are the true driving force behind the success of our massive food production facility today. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey through our factory today, and we hope you enjoyed our mass production marbles video.